Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 23 Vantages. 23 has probably been one of our most popular boats, so what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the factory options. This particular one, of course, has the famous AccuTrack hull, extremely nice ride, stainless steel anchor right here, blue gel coat. If you also notice your hard top, it's all powder coated. That's close to zero maintenance on that. This one's got the upgraded 350 Verado, which you see here. Horsepower to weight ratio, excellent. Full 3-year warranty, including corrosion. But as you walk inside, it's kind of designed to be a nice family boat. You can also fish off the boat. Plenty of seating all the way around. Gives you a huge aft bench seat here. So this boat, you know, you can take 6 or 7 people out very comfortably. As you can see here, very comfortable in the bow area. There's our hard top right there. If you notice the coloring underneath, same color as the hull, so that's very sharp. Plenty of room here at the dash. Whatever electronics you'd like to. And we also have the fully enclosed head with pump out. So super popular boat. Definitely needs to be on your short list. If you're looking for something that kind of is a do-all boat, a little bit of a sport utility. So if you have any questions or like to schedule a time to take a look at it, feel free to give us a call here. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw, MarineMax in Venice, 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.